Hey guys, so welcome to 2019. I thought weather's good today, the sun's kind of out, there's a bit of overcast cloud. I thought why not get out on the bike? So I'm currently heading towards the Valley of the Rocks on the North Devon Coast, and I'm on the A399, which is popular by cyclists, popular with cyclists today. Okay, so yeah, I'm on the A399, which goes from Alicross roundabout at South Molton and heads all the way into Combe Martin. I'm going to hop on the A39 in a second at Blackmore Gate for those of you who know the area, and I'm going to head over to Valley of the Rocks because, well, the weather's kind of good. 1st of January, weather's kind of good. It's not that windy, so I'm hopefully going to get the drone out and get some awesome footage. I might actually go Chalacombe Simmons Bath way actually. Yeah, I'm going to go that way instead because the views over Exmoor are a lot more dramatic. So I really wanted to take this opportunity, guys, actually to say thank you for everyone who's subscribed to my channel, and who's liked and commented on my videos and given me positive feedback. I'm hoping for 2019, I've got big things planned for 2019 for the channel and myself. I've got a couple of Euro tours in the pipeline, and there'll be more about that, more about that later on in the year. And I've got a few ideas about what I want to do in the UK as well. I've got a few tour ideas that I want to do. I haven't been to the Lake District for a long time. I'm from Cumbria, but I live in Devon now, and going to the Lake District just feels like home, if that makes sense. Even though I'm from Carlisle, as soon as I pass through the Lake District, if I was on the M6 for instance, I just feel, I just feel home. And I haven't been there for a while, so I fancy getting the bike up there. It's been a few years. I went there with a couple of mates when I had the S1000RR. The weather wasn't brilliant, and we did a 3-day tour. We did Wales. Yeah, we did Wales, the North Yorkshire Moors, and the Lake District over 3 days, and then we rode back through Wales. It was like well over 1,000 miles in those 3 days, and it was loads of fun. But it was a lot of mileage, and the weather wasn't brilliant, so I'd like to have another go at that, and hopefully get some sunshine. There's a few of the passes that I haven't done, so I've done Kirkstone Pass several times, but I haven't done like Rhinos Pass and Hard Knot Pass, so I want to get amongst that. I also I've been asked by a few people for some kit reviews of the stuff that I wear and stuff that I've taken camping with me when I did the Portugal tour. So they want to see some of the gear, or at least know what it is I use. So I'll sort of break that down into a few videos. I'll do like a vlogging video of all the gadgets that I take when I'm on tour, or even out when I'm on a daily ride like this. Obviously I've got camera on now, and I'll go through the basics, all the other kit that I have, so the riding gear that I wear, the boots, the gloves, helmet, and we'll progress it from there. I've got a few bike reviews lined up. So yeah, a few reviews on bikes that I want to go through. I want to have a go or review the GS1250, because obviously that would make sense, see if it's any better than this bad boy. And I'll also have a look at the S1000XR, and what else? And the new BMW S1000RR is out this year, and me being a bit of an S1000RR addict, I've had 3. I love this bike. I've had 3. I want to see what it's like and see if it would tempt me back into the sports bike world. And to be honest though, it would be hard pushed to get me off this GS. I bloody love this bike. Yes, there are faster bikes, there are prettier bikes, there are lighter bikes, but this is kind of a do anything plodder, isn't it? And I have loads of fun on it, and I feel really confident on this bike. So yeah, any bike that's going to tempt me away from this bad boy will either be something super special, or it'll be a second bike for me. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit nasally. I've friggin' had such a cold over Christmas, and I'm really just getting over it. So we're in Somerset. This area around here is popular for walkers. Actually, I went on a walk around here once with an old personal training client of mine, and we got proper lost. Basically following the signs that you get for walking the area, so they have little coloured markers on the gates, and we just trusted the signs. And I had an Ordnance Survey map and a compass in my pocket, but I didn't bother getting the map out. Big mistake. Because it cost me a lot of time. The walk the walk was only supposed to be a few hours long, and it ended up being, well, all day. It was a bit of a day. Anyway, so yeah, if you ever get lost, trust the map, trust the compass, and get the map orientated first. Anyway, so yeah, as I was saying about the channel and Epic Motorcycle Adventures, I'm hoping to grow a little bit more, hopefully get some more subscribers by the end of 2019. It'd be nice to hit that first 1,000 mark and then grow it from there. And I'm hoping that my video editing skills improve and my vlogging skills improve as we go along. And I'm hoping that you guys stay along for the adventure. So I think by the power of the internet and video editing, we're going to be overtaking this car right about now. So we're on the B3223, which is going to take me over Exmoor in a second. You get some epic views, and autumn is an awesome time for this place, because you get all the different colours of the heather and the leaves obviously changing colours. You have to watch out for is wildlife on the road. Okay, so let's go across the top of Exmoor. It's beautiful. It's a little bit more windy than I expected though. I'm sporting my sports screen today, and it's shorter than the standard GS screen for a couple of reasons really. Friggin' standard GS screen is, well, it's massive, but it's useless. But because it's massive, it gets in the way. Me being a short, stumpy person, I've noticed in some of my videos, and I've had a few people mention it to me, is that it takes a lot of the screen away, the vision up front, wax on, wax off, it takes a lot of the vision away, and it's like, so I've gone with a shorter screen because it's better looking than the big screen, it doesn't flap around like the big screen, it doesn't cut in all the like take away some of the road view up ahead, and it makes the bike look faster because it's black. But there's not much difference apart from the wind trying to rip my head off right now because it is pretty windy now. There's not really that much difference in the wind. I haven't lost any wind protection from the other one, even though it is bigger. I'm not getting the buffeting either like I do with the standard GS screen, which anybody who rides the GS will know is a pain in the butt. You'd think BMW would have invested some money in making it a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? Better, that's a good word. So these corners are really nice, however, because they're so flat, it's really hard to read them. Because we're over the cattle grid, obviously we've got, we can have livestock on the road. I've come around this corner before, and there's been huge bulls on the road, bulls and cows, and it's a little bit disconcerting. Okay, so sheep's is. That's pretty, Christmas sheep tree. So I'm just about to drop into Watersmeet. So this road just drops us into Watersmeet, and then we'll go through the little gorge, and then I'll head up to Valley of the Rocks. And here it is, guys. We're just going to round this corner and drop down, and there we go, Valley of the Rocks. It is quite pretty. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and park down the bottom. It is quite windy though. I'm a little bit scared about getting the drone out and crashing it into the sea. I might just stick the bike on the grass. Hopefully I don't get told off. I've been down here before, and I'm going to go across there. Probably not a good idea. Alright. What I need is that rock. Right, what I'm going to do, neutral, stand down. It's a long way to the floor. Stand down. Come on, baby. Baby? Not baby, you're a fully grown whale. Yeah, that's not good, is it? Do you reckon I'm going to get back in time? That ground is soft. Right. Super soft ground. That is the smallest stone in the world. It might be enough. No, yes. Seems to be working. I'm going to use that one though. It's probably always a good idea to bring a puck with you. But hey, nature provides. Right, try not to get run over. It's quite windy, I don't know if it's a good idea to get the drone out. So, there's a beast. There's the rocks. There's a bit of a breeze blowing through, so I don't know. Right. I'm going to get my helmet off. And and then go and assess the wind, and then we'll get back to you on that.
Drone out and just get it in the air, and I'm not going to go too crazy with it, just going to have a little bit of a sightsee so you can see what it's like around here. At the beginning of this video, main reason for today's ride out is just basically to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and the antics I get up to. A lot more planned for 2019, so stay along for the ride. Take care now, I'll see you soon, bye bye.
Okay guys, so it's a bit windy and cold, bloody eyes are streaming. So yeah, there's the beast with its go faster screen on it. Actually looks at least 10 miles an hour faster. It looks like it's lost about 20 kilos, and I think I'll be able to jump a lot higher with that screen on, because black makes everything look fast, doesn't it? I do actually prefer it with that screen on, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just friggin' leap onto this thing. Right, oh, there's the floor. So all that's left to say, apart from I need fuel again, is thank you for tuning in to my channel. Yeah, thank you for tuning into my channel. And like I said, I've got quite a few things planned for next year. Oh, it's a bit bumpy. Yeah, I've got quite a few things planned for not next year, 2019, which is this year. Hope you stick around for the ride, guys. So yeah, just want to say thank you, and have an awesome 2019 yourself. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well, please. That would be awesome. Take care now, guys. Bye bye then.